We live in a digital age, and the pandemic has sped up healthcare innovations and uncovered new business models and opportunities. Beyond telemedicine, supply chain payments, safe data sharing, and remote monitoring, blockchain and NFTs are critical technologies that enable people to trade value on a decentralized network. Futurists and technologists are also investigating how the metaverse may be used in other fields. The metaverse, according to many prominent IT companies, will be the next big thing. But what exactly is it, and how will it affect the healthcare industry? Hi, how are you? We hope you're having a great day. This is the one and only Tech Factuala, reminding you to stay techie. In this channel, we bring you fantastic and informative news about the world of technology. We update you about the world's electronics, tech advancements, and more. So stay tuned. In this video, we talk about how the metaverse can influence healthcare. Before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. It would also be nice if you could give this video a like and share it with your friends. The term metaverse is thought to have first appeared in Neal Stephenson's science fiction novel Snow Crash, published in 1992. In this book, humans are depicted as avatars interacting with each other and software agents in a 3D virtual space in the novel's setting. Most people think of the metaverse as a virtual realm that can be accessed via a headset. It would link numerous digital worlds for anything from business to leisure activities such as concerts, movie trips, or simply hanging out. This opens the door for virtual reality, also known as VR, and augmented reality, commonly known as AR, to become more mainstream. The metaverse will be what present smartphones were to the first mobile phones a few decades ago in terms of VR and AR. In recent years, virtual reality and augmented reality have made huge strides. As animations move around in a virtual world, high-end headsets can successfully deceive the human eye into seeing 3D. Another advancement is the introduction of 5G, which will allow for a more continuous and linked digital world on the move. Nobody wants to be left behind if virtual reality becomes the internet's future. The metaverse, according to wealthy investors and giant IT businesses, could be the next big thing, and they want to be a part of it. How the metaverse is influencing the healthcare industry. Medical education and training, as well as processes and procedures, are being improved with new and disruptive technologies based on AR and VR. VR is utilized in doctor and medical staff training to immerse learners in the human body, giving them a 360-degree view of diseases or simulating real-world procedures. Medical schools are also using AR in their curricula to provide students with significant hands-on learning opportunities. Medical students can visualize and practice new techniques by using augmented reality apps to replicate patient and surgical contacts. Immersive experiences based on genuine operations can also be replicated, in which students sense and feel the repeated real procedure as if they were the surgeon themselves. It's not out of the realm of possibility that the metaverse may serve as the initial training ground for the next generation of surgical robots, with surgical robots learning how to do surgery on humans using artificial intelligence. In addition to that, more sophisticated procedures will increasingly incorporate AR, building on the current use of surgical robots. The removal of malignant tumors to difficult spinal surgeries are all possible applications. These advancements will improve surgical precision and flexibility in complex treatments even further. Already, AR is giving surgical staff new ways to access information that is more compatible with surgical workflows and the sterile field of the operating room, such as real-time guidance in the surgeon's field of view of the surgical site via integration with surgical navigation systems and fusion of data from multiple imaging sources. Pre- and post-surgery evaluations can also benefit from the use of AR to improve surgical results through a more individualized intervention based on data analytics. Gamification, or the application of game concepts to non-game situations, provides new opportunities for healthcare providers and patients to connect. At the moment, AR's usage in healthcare is mostly limited to wellness and fitness apps. For example, AR is being utilized to give better workouts with coaching from virtual teachers. VR has also been demonstrated to help patients with dementia enhance their quality of life. Patients in one trial were given a virtual reality headgear and were able to visit one of 5 virtual locales, including a church and a sandy beach. Researchers discovered that after 16 supervised sessions, individuals were better able to recall past experiences, which increased mood and gave good mental stimulation. Before continuing with our list, what do you think of what we've shared so far? What do you think about VR and AR technology? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. We've only scratched the surface of what's possible, but will the metaverse alter healthcare? Who knows what will happen? But even before we know what the metaverse is, it's a term that vaguely characterizes future immersive computer experiences. Its excitement has reached the realm of digital health. New marketing language has penetrated startups, with one company already advertising the virtual treatment rooms of the metaverse. Rockhell's consulting arm gathered metaverse information for its clients because investors looking for the next big thing are asking questions. While investors may have Metaverse FOMO, they aren't yet sold on the predecessor technology. AR and VR healthcare technologies raised $198 million in 11 deals in 2021, accounting for less than 1% of total digital health funding. Even if Metaverse notions are still in their infancy, Adriana Krasniansky, a researcher at Rock Health, believes it's not too early to consider the consequences for privacy and regulation, where the first movers will have the power to create standards. Before allowing anyone to do experiments on your virtual biology, it's important to establish who controls your simulation. Insurer lobby wades into privacy talks. The most powerful lobbying group in the country has finally weighed in on the national debate over patient data privacy. America's health insurance plans, whose members include major insurers such as Anthem and Humana, said this week that it favors extending HIPAA and other privacy regulations to any third-party entities that collect, utilize, or retain consumers' health data. The goal of AHIP, according to the organization, is to ensure that app developers adhere to strict privacy guidelines, especially because more patients are preferring to share claims and clinical data. It is up to the patients to decide what they want to do with their data. However, it shouldn't be a buyer beware atmosphere, and patients should have the support of a robust federal statute, said Devin McGraw, who previously managed privacy at HHS's Office for Civil Rights, which enforces HIPAA. McGraw is now the director of data stewardship for Invitae's Citizen platform, which allows patients to collect and exchange health data. Since we're on the subject of health data privacy, Senators Bill Cassidy and Tammy Baldwin have presented legislation to create a new health and privacy panel that would offer recommendations to Congress on how to update privacy laws. HIPAA needs to be revised for the present day, Cassidy, a physician, said. Senators Catherine Cortez Masto and Todd Young introduced legislation on the Hill that would prolong Medicare funding for certain telemedicine services, such as drug abuse treatment, for 2 years after the COVID-19 emergency period ended. It would also commission a study to advise future policy on virtual care. So, is the metaverse the future of healthcare? Virtual reality and augmented reality solutions are already boosting patient experiences and outcomes. Even routine procedures like intravenous injections and blood draws can benefit from AccuVein's vein mapping technology, which casts a map of a patient's veins onto the skin. Recent acquisitions include digital surgery by Medtronic and OptiView mixed reality by Zimmer Biomet, which uses the Microsoft HoloLens to integrate the real and virtual worlds. The huge medtech corporations' investments, together with a growing number of startups creating AR and VR solutions, show how the surgical environment may transform in future years. Beyond Metaverse, for example, brings together worldwide healthcare professionals for concurrent education, training, and planning, as well as collaborative medical operations. It uses innovative cloud and real-time communication technology to empower doctors to practice their skills with the highest accuracy to ensure everyone receives the best healthcare service anytime and wherever, according to the company's website. It remains to be seen whether healthcare will join the metaverse as a result of this. Anyone who has utilized a digital avatar at a professional meeting or a virtual event has already had a glimpse of what the future may contain. And we're already seeing the development of healthcare-focused metaverse platforms. Although the metaverse is still in its early stages, it has enormous potential to revolutionize and enhance healthcare. The issue will be intriguing to watch develop. To sum up, Metaverse is an emerging concept that will bring many new dimensions as major social media players combine various aspects of virtual reality and immersive experiences. For the healthcare industry, which has largely remained traditional, it will be a great tool for learning, empowerment, and providing blissful experiences to patients and providers. What can you say about the metaverse? If you have any ideas or suggestions, don't hesitate to comment below. We always love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to be updated on new videos. Again, this is the one and only Tech Factuala reminding you to stay techie. Thanks for watching!